Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is gonna be a more of a cinematic kind of video. We're gonna be showing you guys a lot of car clips and whatnot. Today we're gonna be at an event here in the DFW area. It is called Gears and Gun. It's a bunch of gun guys, you know, that we like cars all at the same time. So we're gonna be having a lot of fun, and we're gonna be showing you guys what's going on around. And probably just kind of, you know, chilling with people and just kind of get to meet new people in this area. So stay tuned. We're trying now to take a deep look at the car meet at a VIP level. And the only car you can do that on or in is inside of a Toyota Century. Jose, thank you for being my chauffeur.
Oh yeah.
I need a cigar now. And whiskey.
So this is the executive vehicle, you know. It's so smooth, like one finger moves it, you know. Look at this.
It's official.
It's official. If you want to take out the kids, you get a Grand Via.
Ever since I got the dyno.
Ever since you got the dyno, you changed it.
Ever since I got the dyno, I need to be in the back of a Century.
I just feel really gangster driving this thing.
Hey, so you got a problem? Do you got a problem with me, sir? I need my whiskey and my cigar.
Yes. You know, this is VIP level right here. Luxury to the max. So we only ride on the best. bro. Driving your Porsche is a soothing experience. When you shift the gears, it's so smooth. It gives you the pleasure of selecting the engagement and the gear you desire at the perfect RPM. Yeah. Hey guys, well, thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. This video was really short. It was more of a cinematic mode kind of scene over here. We had a lot of fun. We met new guys, met new people, and say hi to a bunch of our already loyal customers. Thank you guys so much. I end up having a gun or buying a new one. Well, the whole car show was called Gears and Guns, so can help it. Well, thank you guys so much. Like and subscribe, comment down below if you have any suggestions for our channel. Thank you guys so much, and like always, peace out.